Maybe you've struggled to grow your YouTube channel, gain followers, or build an Instagram page. You finally created your digital product after putting in a lot of time and energy, but your first launch was a disaster. You even ran polls to understand what your audience wanted, but still, no one bought your product. This is a problem many creators face. They work hard but get stuck and don't know what to do next. In this video, I'm going to explain what's really going on, why you're stuck, and most importantly, is there a way to fix it, or are you doomed forever? Now, here's another question that comes up. Is the product the problem? Before we answer that, let's go back to the beginning. When you first decided to start your business or social media page, at that point your vision was probably blurry. And here's why. When you're just starting out, you think you know your audience. You think the product you're going to offer will work. We've all made this mistake. Let me explain with an example. Imagine I want to create a YouTube channel about editing. At first, I assume the editing niche is full of creators who want to make money using the skills I'll teach. So, I build my content around that assumption. I target people aged 18 to 35, thinking they're my ideal audience. But the type of editing software I teach makes a huge difference. If I teach Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, chances are my audience includes freelancers or professionals already making money or planning to. But if I focus on tools like InShot or Canva, most of that audience is doing it for fun, not profit. They're not likely to invest in a high-priced digital product, so even if I get a ton of views, that doesn't mean I can sell them anything. The issue isn't always the product, it's the audience avatar. Let's say I want to start a documentary channel. The chances of selling a high-ticket digital product to that audience? Almost zero. Sure, I could build a newsletter or collect emails, but that niche just isn't very targeted for product sales. So what do? Are we doomed to never sell? Not at all. You can sell, but you need to really understand your audience. Where do they live? What do they need? What's their spending power? For example, in Middle Eastern countries or India, pricing matters a lot. Anything over $10 might be too expensive for many, so offer tiered pricing, multiple packages at different price points. That way, you maximize sales and make sure everyone has an option to buy. When you start your business, set a clear goal. How much do you want to earn? And is this business scalable? Most people get this wrong. They think more followers means more money. But selling is different. A small, loyal audience with spending power is way more valuable than 10,000 cold followers with no money. So if you want to monetize through ads, sponsorships, or platform revenue, focus on building views and engagement. But if you're trying to sell digital products, be honest, is your niche made for it? In some niches, selling products is a waste of time. But in others, like AI, marketing, or business tips, even a small audience can be incredibly profitable. When you start your business, you need to be clear about your income goal. If you want to make $100,000 per month, that's possible, but only in a few niches, and only if you can fully monetize your brand at a high level. If your goal is to make $10,000 per month or a bit more, that's much more achievable with the right strategy and niche. That can become your stable, long-term income. You need to choose between two paths. 1. A stable ad revenue model, building views and monetizing through YouTube or sponsorships. 2. A product-first model, focusing entirely on creating and selling digital products. It's smart not to blindly follow trending niches. Instead, study what already works. Focus on business models that successful creators are using, and most importantly, target the right audience, because that's what makes a business scalable. To help you, I've prepared a free PDF guide where I break down exactly how I generated $100,000 in the first 3 months of 2025, including how I designed my product, built the funnel, and promoted it step by step. You can download it from the link in the description. If you follow the steps and apply them to your own strategy, you can boost your sales, even up to 100%. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.